Are you ready? Welcome to Baking with Alex. Today we're joined by Evelyn, who's going to be helping us make banana bread, right? Yeah, we're going to make some banana bread today. And the first thing we have to do is get a big bowl. Is that a big bowl? And we have to whisk the flour. Woo! Here, you're going to be our whisker today. And you add just some salt and some baking soda. Yummy. And some cinnamon. Oh, that smells so good. Wow. Stir, stir. Can you stir? You want to do some more? Oh. And we grab another bowl. Put 2 sticks of butter. Keep it over the counter. Woohoo. Get another one in. All right, here. Yeah. Oh. And then we add the brown sugar. Oh, there we go. It's really hard to whisk butter and sugar together, so we're going to use the machine. Wow. Are you done with that one? Once you have your butter and sugar all creamed together, then it's time to add some of the other ingredients, like the eggs. Oh, good heavens. Yep, make it a little easy. All right, you know how to break an egg? All right, like this. And woo! And woo! Sometimes you get a little extra crunch in your loaf of banana bread. All right, crack it. No. Here, hold it with one hand. One hand, only one hand, like this, and then whoo, you do it. You did it. Oh, so more gentle next time. Where's the trash thing? Oh, Evelyn, can you get another egg? Oh, good cleaning. Do you want Daddy to do this one? No, Daddy do this one. Okay. This one in there. A little extra egg never hurt anyone. Yeah. Now we got the eggs in. And we gotta mix the eggs in now. Okay. What am I doing? You pour it in? Woohoo! Ugh. All right. Stir, stir, stir. See, put it in. Get it out. Oh. Nope, don't touch it. Now we can start adding our flour. Use this. Scoop. Put some flour in. Can you do it again? Scoop. Yeah. Oh, one more. Scoop. Put some flour in. Oh. Add the flour that's on the counter. I feel like we're missing something. Shortcut. Woo-hoo. You want to do it now? No. Oh. You're such a big helper. And then we're going to add some banana. When you're making banana bread, it's good to not forget to add the banana. Oh, it smells so good. Daddy still needs help. Careful. We gotta put it in the bread things. Our pre-greased bread pans. We'll pop those in the oven at 350 degrees for about an hour. Alright, so we're done. We got the bread out of the oven. Yeah? Everything cooked really well? It took forever. forever. All right, do you want to put it on there? Yeah, oh, go on, Jessica, just move it over. Get your hands out of the way. Another successful job baking with Alex. Thanks for joining us today, Evelyn. Say thank you. Yay!